Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. The creators of Uno have another beautiful game called Skip-Bo. I love that Skip-Bo is a sequence game that's based on how well I play my own cards. The object of the game is to get rid of all your cards, so after distributing all the cards in equal amounts, everyone can start or add to the 4 communal discard stacks that start from 1 to 12 in the middle of the table. The Skip-Bo card is your wild card and can be used in place of any number. So you want many of those. We had 4 players, so we're continually shuffling the center piles once they reach to 12. We just love the easy directions and the pictures that guide you on how to play this amazing game. So get your friends and family together and enjoy strategizing and having a fun time with this great game, Skip-Bo. We love it, we highly recommend it, and that's just our point of view.